How to turn off WhatsApp notification. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your settings and then scroll down to apps. Then navigate to WhatsApp. And here you want to click on notifications. Now, as you can see here, you will find all of the notifications that you can get from the WhatsApp app. And each notification has a toggle next to it that's turned on, meaning that it's activated. So in order for you to disable and turn off these notifications, all what you need to do is you need to click on the toggle next to them to turn them off. You can turn some of them off while leaving the others on depending on what you need, or you can just turn off all of the notifications at once using this option, which means that you will get no notifications from the WhatsApp app. So do what suits you the best. So that was it for this video. That's how you can disable and deactivate the WhatsApp notifications. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.